that we brief you a little bit and then we can go. This will be really short within the minutes. Then we'll take a long ride. Number funded. That we brief you a little bit and then we can go. This will be really short within the minutes. Then we'll take a long ride. Number funded. That we brief you a little bit and then we can go. This will be really short within the minutes. Then we'll take a long ride. Number funded. That we brief you a little bit and then we can go. This will be really short within the minutes. Then we'll take a long ride. Number funded.
Tororo.
Habari yenu?
Wiche maberi.
Muko sawa? Nimefurahi sana kuwatembelea. Asante sana kuja wengi hivi.
Wala wengi pino kakonon.
Nawapenda sana. Third Deputy Prime Minister.
Takudongi makuro kompa Prime Minister Jakony Maradek.
Minister of Defense and Veteran Affairs.
Jaduongi Minister Matero Kwom Gwokokwo, Jaduongi oboth.
Ministers present.
Ministers majuntie kaje.
Honorable members of Parliament.
Jumikwenda ma Parliament majunika.
Traditional leaders.
Jutel nono.
Religious leaders.
Jutel dini.
Deputy CDF and all the generals of UPDF here present.
Jakony pa Commander maduong ma ame kod jolweny madongo majunika.
Distinguished ladies and gentlemen.
Mondongo jodongo iduong me mupokro pokre.
Na watu yote wa Tororo.
Gijo Tororo chie.
Na wasalamia wote.
Na moto win wijijie. Juwota wagowi ya do makalo malo.
Mweke mkono juu kama mnapenda.
Iting'u ichingi malo wineni ber mapiny.
Mweke mkono juu kama mnapenda President Museveni. Weka
Ineno
mkono
ting'u
juu.
ichingi win wimothi ujuma maro Museveni.
Mweke mkono juu kama mnapenda General MK. Weka
Ni
mkono
juma
juu.
jumoth win General MK kama ntie je.
Weke mkono juu kama mnapenda UPDF. Weka mkono juu.
Iting'u ichingi win jono majumoth UPDF gi jolo.
Asante.
Walo win.
Honorable oboth.
Jaduongi oboth.
Today we gather here in the spirit of gratitude to Almighty God.
Nikono ni wachokore ka iriwruok chunyi gifuoyo were.
For the honor and the promotion he has given you as Minister of Defense of Uganda.
Giwori kod duong' momini paka jatel meno matero ministry magwoko kwa Uganda.
On behalf of all those who serve in our great army, UPDF,
Inyingi jono menyo majochwayo ame mon maduong' miluongo ni UPDF.
I extend my congratulations to you on your appointment.
Adhiro foyo pararini iwach meno menyo mi duong' me.
We are happy with your leadership at the ministry.
Wantie gi kisangala kod itel perini i Minister of Defense. Wagowi na dhom ni jaduong' oboth jowuotan gi kikalagasa.
Honorable Minister, in the few months we have worked together,
Jaduong' Minister idwe manok mochoko tich kanchiel.
I have seen your commitment to the defense of our nation.
Achoko neno mirok perini igwoko piny ma Uganda me.
I applaud you for that.
Aka mito fuoi sote tek ritichno.
I also applaud you for your flexibility
Aka bende amito fuoi ni bedo dhano meno manyalo bedo minyo wire kosa chore kisongo.
and accommodating methods of work.
Aka kit mabendi bedo minyo idio chunyini kodi tich mitimo.
That is something that is very important and will help us with our work.
Aka meno gimaduong' swa akala konyo wan gi tich mawatimo.
I also applaud you for your commitment to improve the welfare of our officers and men.
Jaduong' Minister wabe wamito fuoi sote tek chwayore kuo maber mapa jolweny mawajutiyo ilweny.
I believe with you as minister, our military will achieve
Aka geno ni in pak bedo minister lweny ma wan jokidho dwaro gimaduong' maber.
significant achievements
Jokidho nwang'o mich maber swa.
in our military capabilities,
Ineno ni kendo watieko tich malweny ma watimo manyakare.
the modernization of our forces,
Wiro kod ineno ni kendo lweny owire maber.
and the fostering of crucial alliances that regionally and internationally
Kod dhiro riwruok kanyachiel i kuonde meno mantie pak Afrika kod gwoko ma piny me.
that ensure our nation's safety.
Aka gino kidho neno ni ke piny ma wan nitie isiem.
Your efforts in securing international cooperation is commendable.
Ni maro perini mamito riwo wani kod jowi loka obedo gima waripo keto kakare gi foch.
And I encourage you to continue building those bridges.
Aka mito ni iteri silwany me mamedo ridho tindino iket mutire.
One of your most important roles is to act as our political representative.
Duong' perini kosa tich peri maduong' tetek paka jatel meno mathumo machielo riwo wakanyachiel itenge meno machwayo.
In government,
Tetek kichwayore government.
we are very sure you will represent the interests of the UPDF in cabinet and parliament very well.
Aka wan gi geno ni ile bedo minyichoro mito mapa ame i parliament kodi i government.
We do not expect any issues on that front with you as minister.
Wakimiti ng'eyo niket wakimiti neno nitie teko moro manyalo wuoki kodi ni paka nyibedo minister mon.
As one of us, one of the UPDF family,
Paka pecho ma UPDF.
We also recognize the personal sacrifices you have to make as a minister
Wamito neno nike wafuoyo swa mich peri ni kosa mirok miketo riyo PDF paka minister.
in the service of our country.
Kimedo chwayo ri piny mon.
The long hours,
Sawa maditi mitero,
the difficult decisions,
miyo timo diero meno mateki,
and the weight of responsibility
akama igugu meno matich meiri potimo.
that comes with that position of Minister of Defense
Mugugu mawuotho kodi tel minitie paka minister meno magwoko kwa.
is very big.
Akaduong swatetek mugugu no.
We believe and pray that you carry these burdens with grace,
Wanigi yeyo kodi wacho nigiridho nike itergi piny me migugu me gi wori,
humility,
kodi duongo kodi muolo,
and resolve to do what is right.
ake ibedi gadieri matimo gimotire.
So as we come together to give thanks to God for your appointment,
Kawabino kanyachiel foyo were ri dimini paka jateli,
we also look to the future with hope and confidence.
be wabedo minyo wanena yo wange kodi gigeno manitie kakare.
That the foundations that we all lay, all of us in the Ministry of Defense,
Msingi machango wachoko keto i ministry magwoko kwa
will continue to strengthen our nation's defense
lebedo minyo ridho gwoko piny mawani kuom jukwor.
for generations to come.
Akale medere i medrok ma piny paka nitie.
I want in a special way to thank His Excellency the President,
Amito fuoyo inger mwa kakare President ma Uganda
General Yoweri Museveni,
Jaduong Yoweri Museveni
for appointing you as Minister of
di
Defense.
min paka ja minister magwoko kwa i piny me.
He made a good choice.
Ako timo diera motire.
I thank all of you people of Tororo for coming in big numbers
Amito fuoyo wijo tororo je bino ithoto muchalo gama,
to welcome us
bino jolowani,
and to be part of this Thanksgiving.
aka bino bedo ifuoyo were me.
I want to apologize to the many supporters I found on the road there.
Amito kwayo chwaki rijo thiel paran manuango jotengiroyo koro majodit swa.
Today I came in the CDF car. The CDF car doesn't have a roof that opens.
Nikono ni abini mutoka men wapaja tel malweny akongoye gi kamo yawo wiye malo koro.
So I couldn't stand up as usual and wave.
Aka kinyalo do chungo tabedo minya motho win.
But I was waving to all those people in the car.
Aka idabedo minya motho win gi imutoka omeno.
So please tell them, all the people on the road, that I saw them, I waved to them, and I love them.
Ni wachi wiri juma juchungiroyo no jena neno jo aka motho jo aka maro jo. Wagowe na dhom rija duong.
Asante sana,
Afoyo wiswa tek tek.
and God continue to bless our beautiful country, Uganda.
Were obedi miyo silwanyi piny mo maber me.
Asante.
Wafoyo wini, wafoyo.
Thank you, sir. Band.
Thank you.
Band, the national anthem, one stanza.
The band, please.
One stanza with the national anthem and the East African anthem.
Of the national anthem. Wa ayun wachung